Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a package from Scars Oddities. Hope I'm saying that right, Scars Oddities. It's a shop in West Boylston, Massachusetts. There's the address if you want to check them out, and there's their logo. Found them on Facebook. You can't read the title. This is a chop top autographed head plate. It's supposedly movie mold from part 2, and the guy that makes them, let me pull up his name, that way you guys can go check him out. Bill Mosley actually sells these at conventions, and Patrick Hart on Facebook makes them. So go check out Patrick Hart. Bill Mosley, if you're watching this video, lick my plate, you dog dick. Can't remember who Chop Chop is. If you don't know who it is, it's a character in Texas Chainsaw 2. It's one of the deranged brothers, the twin brother of Nubbins, aka the Hitchhiker from the first movie. And he has a metal plate in his head from the war. And this is a, like I said, movie mold from that plate. And it's signed by Bill Mosley on both sides. It makes it even better instead of just one side. Very nicely packaged. Safely. There's our card once again. Scars. And here's the actual plate. Got this for a pretty good deal, and it is a great addition to my collection. Dang. Very nice. There it is. Bill Mosley. Oh, that one's upside down. Chop top. I don't know if this chop top Bill Mosley. And on the other side it says lick my plate, he dog dick. Bill Mosley. But look at the detail. It's all bloodied up and decayed flesh around it. Very cool. And supposedly, like I said, this is the movie mold piece. Very nice. Very awesome piece to display in my collection of Texas Chainsaw stuff. But anyways, guys, just wanted to quick share that with you all. Thumb this video up if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you later, dog dicks.